Welcome again to my tutorial video today. I want to show you guys on how I took this particular setup on gold using break and retest strategy. Alright, I'm going to show you everything step by step and the rules you need to follow before you can take this particular setup you see right now on the screen. I wait for like 3 hours or 4 hours before this particular market come to my entry level. All right, so and I want you guys to just pay attention to this video. Watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part of this video. And you can even try to practice this particular strategy on demo first before you can use it on your live accounts. So share this video to people. Comment below. Let me know which country are you watching from. So let me just go straight to the because I don't want to waste your time in this video at all. Let me just even delete all this. Let me just delete this one. Let me just go to the first thing you need to check if you want to trade gold on a daily basis. Go to your what? Go to your daily time frame. Let me just even do it again. You can see you have to understand right now on this, even yourself here, you can see the market is currently coming down. The market is downtrend. Even this is your trend line show you that the market is doing what is downtrend on your even daily candle. You can see the market current right is downtrend, so 100%. So now let's go to, you can see I've already to 1 hour daily candle has already given us that the market is doing what? The market is downtrend. That is the friend. I mean, trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. It's downtrend. Let me just go to my 4 hours. So what I do here, let me just show you what I do here on this particular area of daily, so that you can see how I draw the zone. So that particular time before the market, yesterday I took this particular trade yesterday, so on gold, and you can see. But this is, let me show you the last previous support. You can see where the market broke in. Try to watch. It's very, very important. So I want you to understand this video, to learn and practice it, and try to tell your friend or anybody you know to practicalize this particular strategy. So let me just show you something here. You can see here, this is the current the last support level here on gold. Can you see the last support level where the market broke in here? The last one here, the last one, you can see where I draw my box. This is the recent one, all right, where the market is right now, but that is not the area I want to go for. So now after I draw my key level on daily candle, I also go to my 4 hours candle as well. I go to my 4 hours. All right, I go to my 4 hours as well for me to see everything clearly on the 4 hours candle. So you can see even the box I draw is aligned. Can you see this box here? You can see it's aligned with what? With daily what? With daily candle. The market broke this particular level. You can see broke it. So, but I will show you on 15 minutes and 1 hour so that you can see it clearly on lower time frame. All right. So make sure you identify your trend on higher time frame. On higher time frame, it's very, very important. You can see the market. The market has already broken the level. All right, but I will show you on a smaller time frame right now. Let me just go to 1 hour as well. Also on 1 hour, let me just go to 1 hour candle so that you can see it clearly on one. Can you see you can see all the thing I draw here is aligned with all the level I draw. You can see on even 1 hour. But this particular first block I draw, I mark the other block. You can see even the market come there and react. You can see and drop drastically to the downside. You can see this is the first block I draw is I mark the other block, the recent other block. You can see that drop drastically to here, and the market come here again and start doing what? Let me show you very well so I can understand what I trying to show you, so that you will not be confused. Okay, so all right, let me just show you very well. You have to understand everything I'm trying to show in this video so you won't get any confusion. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step. So you have already identified the trend on higher time frame. So you can see the market, this is what the market do here. This is the order block, Abi. This is the order block. The market now do what? Drop drastically and retests. After the test, after the market come to retest, the market now drop drastically. But I will show you very well on the lower. You can see the market first drop. Let me show you again. Let me tell you again. The market first drop from this level here to down to here. The market now come to retest again and drop drastically. So that is what I do. But I wait for like 3 to 4 hours before the market come to me. So let me just go to 15 minutes. I will show you right now on 15 minutes. You are going to see everything clear right now on 15-minute candle so that you can master this particular strategy. We call it broke and retest strategy. It's very, very clear. We are going to understand it very clear. All right. You can see what I do here. The markets drastically. All right. The markets dropped drastically. You can see there is one particular rejection I want you to show. You can where I draw my box here is an order block. You can see the market now come down drastically here and come and retest. After the test, the market do what? Drop drastically to the downside. So let me show you with my tools here. The markets drop from this level to this particular recent one. To this area. After that area, the market come and retest. You can see. After it, I saw some. This is the confirmation candle, rejection candle here. You can see. Even the market come even first do something here, come down here, retest, and finally, the market drop drastically to the downside. We call it break and retest strategy with confirmation candle. But you have to confirm the candle. This is the rejection, though. All right. You can see the markets. This is after confirmation candle. The market start doing consolidation, whatever. Finally, then I also wait for like I also wait for like 4 hours or 3 hours before I took my trade profits, because good normally consolidate before finally come down to your TP. So let me just show you. Okay. After I saw this particular candle, this particular candle. All right. Okay. Keep rejecting this particular area. You can see even the market first drop here, retest again, and finally come down. So I now try to took my my tools of shorts. I now short the trade. After confirmation, I put my stop loss. After confirmation candle, I just put my stop loss just around this zone. All right, then I target the recent what you can see that I just took my trade, but I follow the confirmation candle before I took my trade. Though I told you the market do what first. Let me repeat myself again. The market first drastically drop to this level. After dropping, you can see the market retests. After the retest, the markets come down again. Simple as ABC. You can see that is what you need to just be following. Wait for the market to rally, drop drastically, then wait for a test with confirmation. Then the market will give you reward. Market need to be, you have to be, what market needs is that you have to have enough patience, like even 3 to 4 hours before the market come to you. And always also check if there is no any trade on this particular website. We call it Forex. Just go to your Google and type Forex Factory on Google, this area. Then you are going to check the news for the day so that it will not affect your trading journey for that particular day. All right. So that is simple strategy you need to be following when you are trading gold, and it will reward you a lot if you follow the simple strategy. Wait for confirmation. Always start from the higher time frame, then come over to the lower time frame with confirmation candle, then you take your trade. So if you enjoyed this so far, try to like this video, share it to people, let people know how they can be trading their gold with break and retest strategy. A lot of strategy are many online. But you can, if you can stick to one particular strategy, master it, practice it on demo, then you will always be good to it over time. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.